What's up, guys? So we got the Land Rover LR2 and my windshield wipers don't work, so I went to go buy some and I looked at it and realized that it's not that type. It's a different type. Look at this. Look at this thing. It's like nothing I've seen before. So I went on Amazon and I ordered me some new ones. I'll be sure to put the link in the description. Yeah, that's them. Driver side's 22-inch and passenger's 20-inch, I believe. But if you look here, this piece goes in the slot, it goes down, you squeeze the clips, and there it is. All done. Let's do the other side. Let's take it off. LR2. Just like that. Squeeze the clips. Push it in. Pull it down. That's it. It's pretty easy, guys. Alright, guys, like I said, I will put the item in the description. If y'all need wipers like that. And I will be doing more stuff to this vehicle. I got it in a trade. It's a 2008 Land Rover LR2. I think the next one I'm going to do is changing the license plate light, because I got one that's out. Alright guys, see you guys next time. God bless and peace.